Okay, so I normally don't do videos, but this is actually really bothering me. I had this desk. I really like the desk. I put it together myself. Um, but I'm giving this review, I don't know, probably like 8 months later. Um, yeah, I put it together myself. It wasn't that bad, and it's a really nice desk. I like the quality and everything. It's early in the morning, but anyway. Um, but now it no longer adjusts and it no longer goes up. And it has this error message. And I looked it up. I saw it on their website and everything, and they tell you how to fix it, but it wasn't effective. It tells you to hold both. But if I hold both, it will go down lower, which I don't want to do because this is already a height that it's comfortable sitting. But now I no longer can stand with it. So it's unfortunate, and I'm not trying to show you my whole desk because it's kind of nasty or it's kind of messy. But yeah, it's unfortunate because when it was probably like 6 months in, and it stopped working. And then I started looking up things, but now I've kind of been dealing with it. I'm moving soon, so I'll be able to get a new desk and everything once I move. I'm not worried about it now. But yeah, other than that, it's really sturdy. I really like it. Like it's really good. Yeah, it looks cute. It looks nice. Um, but yeah, it defeats the purpose because I really just wanted to stand while I'm working, especially everyone is working from home, and I also have a business. So it kind of defeats the purpose. I could have just bought a regular desk. Yeah.
Okay, today I'm reviewing a adjustable height standing desk. Right now it's at a sitting position, and I got this as a gift for my wife, and she's pretty happy with it. Took me about an hour to put it together. Pretty straightforward. Comes with a manual and all the parts. Well, let's see it in action. Right now it's sitting, so use one button. It will go up. We want to go down to just put the down button. So it go up pretty high. I don't really need to go all the way up. About say 42, 43, well 42. That's good enough for me. And it's got plenty of space. This is a 27-inch monitor, and also we have our laptop here for dual monitor. Plenty of space. So yeah, we're really happy with it.